Let's solve this problem together. When you take a look at this now, you will see 2 as the base on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 48, and we cannot express 48 in base 2. 2 power nothing will give 48. So we have to think, how do we go about this? Let's take a look at this. Here now we have 2 power x plus 1 is the same thing as 2 power x times 2 power 1. And then we have 2 plus 2 power x equals 48. Now let's collect the like terms on the left hand side. 2x is here and we have 2 power x here too. So we have 2 power x, then let's open a bracket so that we have 2 power 1, that's 2, then plus 1, and this will give 48. Now this will be 2 power x times 2 plus 1 is 3 equals 48. Now let's divide both sides by 3 so that we have 2 power x to be equal to 48 over 3, and that means 2 power x will be equal to 16. Now we can express 16, this is equal to 16. Now we can express 16 in base 2 such that we have 2 power something. So 2 power x now will be equal to 2 power 4, because 2 power 4 is 16, and then now we can equate the powers, and then x will be equal to 4. And that's just it. If you have any question, check the description section. You will find a link where you can send me your question and I'll help you solve it.